Hello everybody, this is Gianluca again with Modesto, and here today to show you the third video on KiCad. Last time, if you remember, we had some problem to manage symbol libraries. We were not able to find any symbol. I think there is some link or path or installation issue, but what we are going to do is to basically load the library symbol of libraries manually. And so we can see that, for instance, for the footprint libraries we don't have specific problems, and because if we open it you can see that the footprints are there for different components. So the real problem with the symbol library, which is what normally you use in the electronic schematic, and what we are going to do to load manually, we go to the library folder, and here you can see that are all the components that we need. Okay, normally the list of these components is available in one file, symbol library table, that for some reason is not loaded correctly. So no problem, we go to the library and we load the symbols library one by one. Consider there are a lot of symbols, so there are like 200 files, and so it will take a little bit of time. I'm done with that, so we have our libraries. Now we open, and what you will see here, you have your list of libraries as global libraries. Now if we open our schematic file, you remember last time we had some problem to load symbols, but when we do that again here, you see that is loading the library of different symbols, so we can have the list of symbol here. And for instance, if we want a resistor, you see that the symbol is there, and we can place a resistor in our schematic. Normally I use the scroll of the mouse to zoom in and zoom out, but it depends a little bit of the operating system and the mouse you're using, how you do that. This symbol is a very simple symbol, so you have two pins. Here we have to think about the logic. Means this one is a generic resistor with two pins, so we are not really identifying the specific part number. But for other components, even if you are at this level, you need to be more specific. So for instance, if we take a CPU, okay, this CPU has a pin outlet which is specifically defined for and only for this ECU. So of course here the link to the physical component that you have at the end is stronger than what you have with a generic resistor or a generic capacitor that you can find in your library. The other thing I would like to show that is you can do some simple operation with the very fast operation with the components. So with M or R you can move or rotate. The same thing you can do with G to move the components in your electronic schematic. It's very convenient, very easy. The other thing I want to show you for basic component like capacitor or inductors, it's very easy to find the symbols that you need, and the same with LEDs, for instance. And so it's very well done, and of course we will see also in the future how you can add your own symbol when there is a component which is not present in the library. So in the next video we are going to start with a simple project with some actually electronic design using this tool, and so we will start to see how to use also the different icons that you have here around the software. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.